Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and right there on the left upper corner of your notification panel you will see the Wi-Fi icon, and just to activate Wi-Fi tap once on the icon, and as can you see the icon is green. This means that you just activate your Wi-Fi. And just to launch the Wi-Fi settings and to select the network, hold for a while the icon, and as can you see you just launch the Wi-Fi settings. And just if you wanna turn off this Wi-Fi option, tap here and again on this icon, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You should go to the settings application, and now just tap here on the Wi-Fi section. Near the Wi-Fi, tap once on the switcher to activate the Wi-Fi on your device. And now as can you see we got here all our available networks that we can use. For example, we can go with the first one, and here just enter your password. In my case that's from 1 to 8. You can see the password. Just tap here once on the icon. And now just here tap to OK to connect to this network, and as can you see our device successfully connected to this network. And if you for sure you can select the another one, just then you remove this network, tap here again to remove, and now you can select one from this another. For example, as can you see I'm just connected with the new one with the no password. And then if you want to just remove the Wi-Fi, just to turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.